Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make Streamlabs early capture game audio. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To make Streamlabs OBS early capture game audio while excluding other system sounds, you can set up your audio sources and Streamlabs OBS, and here's how to do it. Firstly, launch Streamlabs OBS on your PC. Click on the gear icon to open the settings menu. In the settings menu, click on the audio tab. Under the desktop audio section, choose the audio device that corresponds to your game audio. Ensure that this device is set to capture only the game audio and not other system sounds. If you don't want to capture your microphone audio during recording or streaming, you can disable it in the audio settings. Under the mic auxiliary audio section, choose disabled or choose a different audio device if you want to include microphone audio. Now, go back, start the game or any application that produces audio, check the audio meters and Streamlabs OBS to ensure that only the game audio is being captured. Once you're satisfied with the audio setup, you can start recording or streaming your gameplay. Click on the start recording or go live button and Streamlabs. And that's all for now folks. Thanks for watching.